Are we on?
We're streaming.
I'll put on scientific. Oh, hello.
We're live on the internet.
No, not this time.
Callum's back.
Callum's back, and it's Thursday.
He's right here.
It's Thursday.
Yeah.
Who's excited to have Callum back?
And there's a table. Boo. I'm not. Hi, Callum.
How are you? Is it
Yeah,
nice
I'm
to
good.
be back?
No, there's a GCSE geography paper in front of me.
Correct.
How'd you do in geography?
I got an A.
I think I got an A.
Yeah, same actually. I might have got a B. I'm pretty sure I got an A.
Well, let's say we got A's.
Which is like, what's that nowadays? 7, 8?
That's quite good
Yeah.
for anyone that doesn't understand.
No, I think it's a 7.
6 or 7, I think.
Yeah.
7.
7. An A's an A star and a 9's an A star star.
Yeah, we weren't that good.
No.
Nick and Ian have kindly set us a geography paper. Hello. Oh, you come to join us.
Paper 3. Geographical applications.
No, that's too
I thought
real
it was just going to be
human.
like find France.
It might be at the end.
But this says you may use a calculator, which
You might need to find the density of France.
I don't like.
Why do you need a calculator in geography?
Look,
Because how many dirt?
the first one's
Is it
maths.
about finding the calculator? That's more geography.
It's like a map.
It's right there. I found it.
There it is.
We do have a whole band.
100%.
I can't
We are
believe
back.
it. We're all here. Only for
We're all
one
back.
stream
One
only.
stream only.
Yeah,
So-
one night only.
We have set them a geography paper today
Yep.
because me and Nick did a biology paper
Horrible.
last week and it was really hard.
Can't we
And
do, I like chemistry. Can't we
Nick
do
was
chemistry
suggesting but the thing is chemistry's going to have even more calculations.
Oh, it's a lot of maths.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I like it because it's chemistry.
Nah.
You do like chemistry.
Yeah.
But
Had-
we were
Yep.
thinking of giving them a music paper, but that would be too easy because biology has nothing to do with what me and Nick know. Anything.
Yeah, I
Exactly.
suppose so. And you have to play things if you get. You have to like play the extracts.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
really?
Oh,
Yeah,
That would be
yeah,
like
it's
a
not
music
just-
round.
Yeah.
Well, it's music. Yeah.
Yeah,
that-
and also,
yeah,
and if we did really
Wow.
badly, we'd have to stop.
that'd be bad.
We'd all
actually.
be made.
Yeah.
The band would now then be illegal,
Yeah.
which
Yeah.
it's only
Yeah.
bordering on illegal at the moment. We did okay
What-
for people
we
who
did
never
fine.
not in
What
biology
grade
and like
did you get?
we
We got
passed.
four.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
So
nice.
We
We
passed.
passed.
We passed the maths one just
Yeah.
about.
Yeah.
As well.
Okay.
And
Have you done English yet?
no,
English
we're
is
not
a
doing
lot of
essay
writing.
questions.
Well, there might be. I don't know.
So
How do you spell fish?
this is only
I can do that one.
this is only an hour and 15 minutes. This one.
Oh,
Whereas the other
okay,
ones were
that's
2
fine.
hours.
yeah.
Oh, great. Yeah.
So we're gonna do 30 minutes. We'll start the timer,
Yeah.
and
Mine is to get 69.
once we get it.
6 out of 76.
All right.
So a couple of questions real quick. We have checked our PO box. There's
Oh,
some
yeah.
really
Oh,
sick
yeah.
stuff there.
It
We'll
will
talk
look-
about that at the
You're
end.
right.
Oh, we're gonna talk about it at the end.
Yeah.
Thanks, Griffin.
Thank you, Griffin.
Thank you.
Also, we have our merch right now. Should we talk about that
Where?
at the end?
Yeah, let's
Next
talk
to
about
Nick.
that at the end.
Put it all
yeah.
at the end.
Cool.
Yeah, let's do the
Well,
fun stuff
let's
at the
do
end.
some time to
Let's
do
do
geography. All right.
When do we start?
Well,
we gotta write in our centre
thank you
number.
so much,
Centre
Griffin, for
number.
subbing. 10. I'm so
10.
not ready for you to start doing
10.
this
It's 10, 10,
yet.
10.
What, we're gonna do 30 minutes?
10.
Why are you saying 10?
9.
9. It's gone down to
8.
9. Is this the centre
7.
number?
Ben
Is it
10.
closer? 6. 5.
Candidate number
4.
4
4.
20
10.
4,200.
1.
Surname
1.
in
Go!
trees.
Trees. Hang on, we're writing
Oh,
our name.
okay.
Bears.
This
Candidate
goes into your
signature.
We did our little. We signed it.
Bears in
Oh, okay, you're doing that fine.
trees.
Okay, you ready?
Oh, yeah.
3, 2, 1, go!
1.
Study figure 1. Oh,
What
in
is
the
figure
resources
1?
booklet.
We haven't got the resources book yet.
In 2018, which world region had the largest number of
Who
international
printed
tourists?
this up?
Arrivals.
You didn't print any
It
resources.
should be in your head. You were studying.
No, it
No.
says in the. Okay, we have to guess. In 2018, which world region had the largest number of international tourist arrivals? World region. Europe? Is that a world region? I know it's Spain. Spain is the most touristy country. Most people
Really?
go to Spain. Yeah, the most tourists per year. I know that.
Wow.
Damn.
I don't.
I'm pretty sure that's right. And if I say it confidently enough, then well. So
Yeah, Europe.
So hard
sure.
to get some focus.
Europe.
In the meantime,
Also,
maybe
Europe's
could
massive.
you find us this?
Complete the graph below using the following data. Number of cruise passengers in 2019, 30 million.
Well, that's not hard. You just draw a thing
Oh,
and
I
then colour it in.
I ain't got a ruler, but or a pencil.
I'm so glad that you're back because our handwriting is shocking.
Complete the following table by You're on a calculator, Judy.
Oh.
Complete the following table by calculating the total spending dollars for an average cruise ship visit. Passengers, crew, cruise company.
What's this got to do with geography? This is maths.
What does it say? Complete the following table. Calculate the total spending for an average cruise ship visit. It tells us average spend. Oh, total spend. We've got to add all these up.
Was just adding.
Add them all up, George. 415320
Yeah.
plus 112057 and then 148618.
There you go. 675995.
995.
This is maths.
Question 1.
And if you can't do that,
Oh,
then
thanks to Look at Lena for gifting us a.
good job.
Oh, Jesus. A 6 mark. To what extent can tourism create opportunities for economic development?
Let's just bullet point here because we're not.
Lots of bars for drinking.
This isn't geography. This is just common sense.
Lots of bars for drinking. More jobs.
More money into the economy.
Jobs. Oh, more money
I enjoyed that they put extra space here.
for.
They could have just left those words out and there'd be even more space.
More money for the bigwigs. What else can tourism create opportunities for economic development? Fishing. Boats. Fishing. I love fishing.
Thank you,
look at that.
Sophie, for gifting 1 sub. Good job.
job.
What's fishing boats got to do with it?
Oh, it's good people go fishing when they go on holiday.
When was the last time you went fishing?
Since a long time ago.
It's good for farmers.
Farmers.
Yeah, because then they got
Farmers
make more food.
Make food.
Taxi drivers.
Food. Oh, taxi drivers. On the airports.
Yeah.
Drivers.
Um,
Pilots get to fly planes. Oh,
builders.
it's good for Jess Glynn.
Why?
Because on
What's
the
she
Jet 2
do?
holidays, they got that
yeah.
song. And I'll put Jet 2 in brackets. Jet 2.
Builders.
Builders.
They got to build new swimming pools and stuff.
Builders.
What? That's spelling. Oh no, you did put a U in it.
Building pools. And also
Mm.
the pool guy on TikTok to clean the pools.
Yeah. Do you think this is 6 marks, or do you think we need to go into more detail?
Cleans pools. I reckon if we're marking it generously, I reckon we're good.
We're not.
Study figure 2 in the resource booklet. Fucking resource booklet, which you didn't get
Flippin'
bloody
heck.
printed. A new cruise ship terminal and port for the Cayman Islands. Oh gosh, we got a bank account in that. Complete the pie chart using the following data. Australia 6%, others 4%. Source of cruises Caribbean.
What?
What we got to do? Oh, we got to complete it. Australia 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Why do we need the resource booklet?
Australia. What's others? Oh, blank. Nailed it. Suggest one reason why so many visitors to the Cayman Islands come from the USA. Is it bloody close?
Where's the Cayman Islands?
I'm not telling you.
should probably
where the
know that.
Cayman
I
Islands
reckon it might be quite nearby.
It's
Maybe they've got.
close.
Maybe they don't need a visa to get there.
We've only got 1 mile. I think can we hedge our bets in as well? Lots of things.
Yeah,
close.
I think
If you
so.
get things that are wrong, I'm gonna mark it wrong.
That's so rude. Oh, that's right. It's close. Fuck it. The cruise industry is an example of a global. We were talking about cruises today.
Yeah.
Do you agree?
Yeah.
Yes.
Cruises go all over the world.
All cruises go all over
It's 2 marks though. We need another point.
the bloody place with people
And take them all over the bloody
People.
place.
from
All over the bloody place.
all over the bloody. Do you get points off for swearing?
No, they get extra.
No, good.
Oh,
Nice.
flip.
There's extra space again. I don't want extra space. Get out of my face. Explain how physical islands. Nope. I've
Where
joined. The islands there. I put them together.
Long day.
Explain how physical. I didn't sleep very well last night. Explain how physical and cultural. That's a lie. I slept bloody. Explain how physical and cultural factors are
Why have you
important.
come back so much funnier than when you left?
Very tired.
You were so boring when you left, and now it's like Joke City.
You've been saving it all up.
Explain how physical and
Islands.
cultural factors are important in attracting visitors to the Cayman Islands.
Okay,
Again, if we had a little
physical.
booklet.
They got nice
Beaches.
and things.
The
Nice
beaches.
landmarks and stuff.
Beaches for fishing
And sunbathing.
and
And making sandcastles.
bathing. This is getting us all our
And
marks.
swimming.
And castles.
What else do you do on the beach? Throw stones in the sea.
Castles
Unless it's sand,
and-
you throw sand in the sea.
Swimming. Do you throw sand in the sea when there's no stones?
Well, if there's no stones, you got to throw something, haven't you?
Oh,
You can't go to the
individual
beach
grain.
without throwing something in the sea.
Beaches.
No plastic bowls.
Cultural
Don't do that.
factors.
Car batteries.
People like museums.
Oh yeah, they do.
Museums. Old stuff equal
There's
fun.
Can we just say there's a lot of culture there?
Yeah, culture.
That's a cultural factor.
Culture.
Culture,
Lots of it.
like food.
Of it. Like food.
Yeah,
Probs.
probably markets and things.
Probs. Oh,
Shopping.
and.
People like shopping.
Oh, that's not how you spell things. And
Is
markets.
that cultural? It's
Yeah.
physical because they're real.
Shopping. People
Culture, isn't it?
love
True. And
shops.
Because shops are real. Oh,
Like.
what? Thank you, Griff Plays, for subscribing with Prime.
Like the Apple Store and Levi's.
That's just what we like. And Vans.
Oh, and Vans. Yeah, that'll do. That's
Lovely.
44 marks. Explain why the proposed. Oh, Jesus. Explain why the proposed use of the Cayman Islands is called a multi-use development. The development
Can be used for multiple things, such as
has
swimming.
multiple uses. Like
Nice spelling.
swimming
What else?
and fishing. And shopping.
If we don't get full marks, it's because we didn't have the extra booklet.
Oh, 6 marks.
All right.
Suggests why the development of tourism is an example of economic versus
I'm gonna find your marks.
environmental issues. More people
Is bad for the environment.
is more people is bad for
Love
environment.
the frowny face.
Thanks, environment. Because they
Kill the fishies.
kill the fish
They build on
by
people's
peeing.
No, on animals' houses.
in the sea.
They killed the fish.
What were we doing?
Build on
Oh.
animal houses.
Animal houses get built on
Extra pollution. Extra
to build
rubbish to get rid of.
hotels. More
Waste.
people equal more trash
And pollution.
and
Probably.
pollution. That's not how you spell pollution.
We haven't got 6
Equal
marks
sad face.
Oh, you're just writing sad face.
Yeah.
Okay.
yet. And then drawing a sad face.
Yeah.
Can't put emojis in a
Yeah.
in an exam paper.
There's
Yes.
already one in this answer.
You can't use sad face twice.
What else? People.
But it brings more money in.
Oh wait, we've got to say why it's.
Well, why is it
Economic.
economic
Oh.
versus environmental.
But
Tourism brings more money
more money
in, which is good for
from
the economy.
tourists use money to build houses for fishes.
Oh, I'm bored of
For
this
fish.
question.
Oh,
Oh, weird.
Jesus Christ on the
Getting through
cracker!
it.
Study figure 3 in the resources booklet. Different views about the. I think we skip it. I'm not
It's
writing
really
I'm not
long,
writing a
it's
9
2
marker
pages.
because it says, "Do you think it should go ahead on the thing we know nothing about?" Do you think the cruise ship
Give it a
terminal
guess.
and port
Surely
facility?
we get a
About-
mark for just ticking, yes.
Oh,
or
I
no.
suppose so. Yeah. We also get a mark for spag,
Bowl?
spelling and grammar. Or if I just write a spelling and grammar sentence, if
Ah.
I write one sentence which is grammatically correct, will get 3 marks.
And I think if you draw a sad face, you get 4 marks.
The quick brown fox jump. Is it jumped or jumps? Jumps. Jump
I don't know.
over the lazy dog. 3 marks. Oh, yeah, now we're talking. This is geography. For multiple choice... I like multiple choice questions. Shade the circle next to the correct answer. Oh, gosh.
What?
I'm lost. Correct method. Wrong methods. If you want to change your answer, do it next in it. Field work. A student wanting to investigate the pattern of house prices in their local town. To complete the inquiry, the student collected information from estate agents about the price of 3-bedroom houses in several different areas. Study Figure 4, a map showing the results of the house price survey. Complete Figure 4 using the following data. Average house price in Area G.
Is 148, which is
Lines.
it's under.
Is this
Is that one?
actually
It's
colouring in?
under 150.
Oh, it's dots.
Dots. Yeah.
This pen isn't great for dots.
Get a whole mark just for
Fantastic
dots.
dots. That's enough.
No, but it says it nothing. Does nothing like that. I've left a whole blank space. You might think it's actually. Oh, there isn't a blank one. Imagine if you got this wrong and you had to redo it. How would you do it? Maybe we have to do it in pencil first. Suggest what the map shows about the pattern of house prices in town. I don't know. What's it?
Well, you just
Pattern. It's they're mid-priced, cheap together. They're together. Town centre. Oh, expensive in the town centre.
bloody
Expensive
good that is.
in town centre.
Cheaper around town centre.
Probs because
They got an Apple store.
I was gonna put Greg's. They got Greg's
Oh, okay, fair enough.
and Apple Store.
What about C?
Cheaper around town centre because they have only got a Tesco Express.
cheap in
I bet that bit, the expensive bit there, they probably got a Waitrose.
suburbs. Cheap in suburbs because Tesco area C has Waitrose. Suggest 2 ways that the house price survey can be adapted to make it more useful. Smaller areas.
And smaller price brackets.
Areas, smaller. We'll just add more L's to that one. Smaller bracket. Oh, I spelled that wrong too. Bracket.
Nice.
That's
How much?
15 minutes gone.
Okay,
Oh,
we're nailing
We might
this.
get back to do our 6 marker. 9 mark, whatever the
mark,
fuck it is.
not.
A group of students wanted to investigate variations in temperature in the local area. To do this, each student measured temperature in a different place at the same time on one day in the month of June. Study Figure 5, an isoline map showing the results of the temperature survey. Town centre, temperature reading, isoline. Complete the isoline map for 16 degrees on Figure 5. What? Oh, is it just this line?
Oh, you just got to
Oh,
go.
I've just got to join the gap. Wait, what?
You've got to go round that one, and then around that one, then.
Oh, but this is 16 15, is that? Oh,
Yeah. Yeah, other way. So like, 15's on the outside. Anything with 16's got to go in there. So you got to go round that one,
yeah.
and then like round that one.
And under that one. So.
Yeah.
Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, that's the one.
Oh, bloody hell. Alright, done. Describe the pattern shown by the isoline map, Figure 15.
Hot. In town centre.
Town centre is hot.
Colder
Pause.
as you get further out.
Ovens in Greg's.
Colder as you go out because of the fridges and the freezers in Waitrose.
Goes fridge. Oh, that's not how you spell fridge.
No, it doesn't
Fridge
matter.
and
This is an English exam.
freezer. That's not how you spell freezer either. Nice. Oh, so it's in Waitrose.
Which of the following would be an appropriate alternative way of presenting data shown in Figure 5?
I ain't got a fucking idea what any of those are. Desire line map? No.
I don't know what that is.
Dot map?
Dot map?
Maybe.
No, that's not very helpful.
Flow line?
Proportional
Proportional symbol map. Oh, it says you have to colour it in. Which one do you want?
Well, I think not dots. That's useless.
Oh, right. Desire? No, I don't like desire.
I don't even know what that is.
Freed from desire. My defense is terrified.
Flow line. That sounds
Yeah, let's
promising.
do it. Yeah, why not? Should we stop that? That's bloody annoying, isn't it? Do we need a calculator again?
Probably not. Question
We
4
do.
continues.
Oh, I'd love a graph. The student wanted to investigate tourism in a local coastal town by testing the hypothesis that the further visitors travelled, the longer they stayed. For one part of the inquiry, the student asked 20 visitors how far they had travelled and how long they were staying in town. Study Figure 6, a scatter graph showing the results of this part of the inquiry. Complete Figure 6 by adding the following data. Distance travelled, 180 kilometres. Number of days spent in coastal town, 5 days. Where's 180?
It's going to be just over that. Halfway.
What's that? That's 175.
So it's going to be the next one up.
Is it? Are we in fives?
Probably.
150, 155, 160, 165, 170, 175, 180. This one. 5
Yeah.
days.
Excellent.
To what extent... Oh gosh, 4 marks. To what extent does the data shown in Figure 6 prove the original hypothesis? The further visitors travelled, the longer they stayed.
What?
I mean, it does. Somewhat.
To what extent? Somewhat.
4 marks. Somewhat. These guys travelled a long way and some people who travelled far stayed long. And also in general, the people who travel short
Didn't stay long.
didn't stay long. The people who travel the middle distance, wow,
How did you get 4 marks out of this?
middle distance
Middle day.
people. Well, apart from this guy, he's got that. If you travelled 150, whatever this is, 149 and a half.
Someone said, enjoying Callum's spelling.
You're welcome. I don't get a mark for spelling. It says at the beginning that spelling, punctuation, and grammar only assessed on questions 3 and 5.4. And this is question
Fine.
4.8.
Who cares?
middle distance people,
If it's unrecognisable, they can get marked down.
somewhat. I spelled that completely wrong. Somewhat varied. In conclusion, somewhat.
Somewhat. You right there?
No. Somewhat. The student decided to write a questionnaire. Oh gosh! In order to collect additional information about visitors in the coastal town, suggestion justify one question that the student might use in their questionnaire.
Oh, this is boring.
Right. What questions are they gonna ask?
Is this the last question?
Do you like?
That's a good question. Is this the last
do
question?
you like Apple Store?
It is.
It says turn over for the next question and there's nothing.
That was the last question.
Oh.
I promise that was the last question.
We've been swindled. Hang on, there's got to be more questions because that can't be an hour and a half for just that. We've done it in
Hour
like 20
15.
minutes.
What number of question is that? Let me double check.
Question 4.9.
Okay.
Hang on, yeah, because on the front it said they were judging question 5.
Yeah. there's-
Oh.
We don't have a question.
We haven't
Give
got
me a
question
second, what's
5.
gone wrong
This
here?
is a flipping disaster.
Oh well, what question are we gonna ask?
We're going to get marked down for this.
We could ask, do you like the Apple Store? Do you come here because we got an Apple Store? Do you like fishing? Do you like fishing?
In the Apple Store.
What
What are we doing here? I'm sorry, I'm not paying attention.
So we've got to ask a question which this guy is going to ask his things. How long, depending on how far they travelled, how long were they staying in town? Suggestion justify one question the student might use in their questionnaire. I have absolutely no idea.
How far have you travelled?
Oh no, he's already asked that.
What's the purpose of travel?
Oh! What
Because if someone's just going for like
is
to a gig, they're
your
probably only going to stay one night.
purpose
I'm bloody good at this.
of Travel. Justification. Find out if people
Or going to a gig.
are
Or if they're going to see their nan.
going to a gig or seeing seeing their
Nan.
nan or going
Fishing.
fishing.
You can't go fishing for one day.
Fishing. This helps because the student is a nosy bastard. Bastard. Amen.
We did it! And by it, we mean half of it.
This page is left intentionally
Thank you very much.
blank.
Now what?
It's time to mark your answers, people.
Yay!
Okay, turn back to question 1.
Oh wait, should we finish? Oh okay,
Oh,
we'll
yeah.
mark it. We'll mark it
Do you
together.
want to know?
Are we
You
gonna
still got
do-
time if you want to try and finish
Do we
your.
want to do the boring question?
No, I don't really, but
If you want to try.
It's up to you.
we have more time because all I've written so far is a quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
You've
Well,
got,
that's always
you've got 7 minutes if you want to continue.
Thanks for
thank
my
you,
Sophie for
for
gifting
gifting
subs.
How close are we to our sub goal?
Question 27.
5. We're only 5 away, and if we get 5,
I'll eat this.
no.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yes!
Change the sub goal. Screw it.
Oh, no, what does it say? Oh yeah, we'll do new song.
I want to see that.
Okay, but do you think that the cruise ship terminal and port facility development proposed by the Cayman Island government in 2019 should go ahead?
Yes, it will bring jobs.
Yes. For 9 reasons.
Number 1.
Number 1.
Jobs.
More jobs.
Number 2.
More money.
Number 3.
Good publicity
That's a good one, that is.
for Cayman Islands.
Yeah.
For Cayman Islands.
More money. No, we've done more.
Maybe
Number 4. The crocodiles. The crocs
Have you
Get
thought about some
stomped on.
disadvantages?
get more grub.
Yeah, but we've said
No, we've said
should
yeah.
it go ahead?
Yes.
And then we need to explain why we've said yes.
Oh.
So we don't want to say, all these bad
Sure.
things.
We could say, but although there might be some more waste, who gives a shit? More money.
Okay, do you think we need to justify
my
these?
goodness.
More jobs,
For local people.
for local people.
Oh yeah, for
Which gives local people more
for
money.
local people, which
A
means
local shop for local people.
which means they have
Why
more,
has Callum turned into a capitalist?
they have more
Alan's
money
always been a capitalist.
money to spend,
Yeah.
and,
And then more money means more money to invest in
which means
the
means
local people
more
and resources.
money for investing, and that is why trickle down economics economics equal love heart. I know the board at AQA and they love trickle down.
It's always a buzzword. It's all about one
It's all
buzzword.
about
And trickle down is definitely one of them.
You're killing me.
Ian, you good.
Although more
That cage did something to Callum.
although more trash give
Food for the
to-
fish.
Yeah, I was gonna say the crocodiles because it's the Cayman Islands. They got Cayman crocodiles.
Caymans, yeah.
They're crocodiles, right?
Ish.
Are they in the Cayman Islands?
Ish. Caymans aren't.
Are they not from?
They're not crocodiles.
Oh, they're
But
alligators.
no.
Oh, they're their own thing.
They're their own thing.
Oh, give to crocodiles to eat, and this saves lives of tourists. Is the Cayman Islands somewhere you put like an offshore bank account?
Yeah.
Yeah, I
so
think
so oh yeah, so this is good publicity for Cayman Islands.
Or
So
offshore bank accounts.
more people open bank account. I don't know if that's people something they want.
But I will also say that
It's what they need.
Caymans aren't. It's not the same word.
What?
It's not the same Cayman.
It's not the same Cayman. It's spelled different. Oh, it really is.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh. Yeah, well. I've written it now.
I was just
and I've written it in pen.
I was imagining like little baby.
So more people
crops.
open bank accounts. If there's a ferry port, then the local people can also go on holiday.
Yeah.
Local peeps also go on holes to fun places like Alaska,
I thought you were gonna say Atlanta.
and Alabama
Ooh.
and Arkansas.
Any other places that don't begin with A?
No, they're all A's. Because you go from A to C.
And that's trickle down. What happened to SPAC? Oh no.
Oh, sugar, honey, ice.
Thank you for pointing it out. That's right, we did
No,
that
I've done it.
sentence.
That sentence
one
is good.
sentence will get us
But
3
this,
marks.
yes, for 9 reasons. That's grammatically correct. And I've done a little bullet point list. I've done arrows. I think this is. Yeah, local peeps might not be on there. Yeah, give you that. And I think I've probably spelled quite a lot of words wrong. Money for investing in Apple stores. That would help.
To give to crocodiles to eat this
Saves lives of tourists.
saves lives of tourists.
Okay, I'll get rid of the S. To eat, comma. I've used a comma.
Oh!
I've used a comma now.
Have you thought about using a semicolon?
Yeah, let's use semicolon on the extra space. Extra space, semicolon.
Oh, flipping heck.
I think we're done.
I think we've nailed it.
Let's mark this bit.
Alright, you ready? Alright, I'm going to shout answers at you.
Okay.
I haven't got a
Number
different colour pen.
one.
Question 1, part 1. In 2018, which world region had the largest number of international tourist arrivals?
Europe!
Europe!
Yeah!
One mark.
And we didn't have the flipping resource booklet. Stick that.
One
Let me
mark!
see your graph.
Yeah, look, I did this.
Yeah, 1 mark.
Oh,
Yeah,
mine's-
1 mark.
I didn't have a grade. Yeah, okay, 1 mark.
I'll take it. We'll take it.
2 marks!
Okay, next question.
675,995.
1 mark.
Yes.
Is it written in the box?
Yeah.
1 mark.
You really, if I run out here, is it wrong?
It
Sure, that
must
was
be
lucky.
in the box.
3 marks!
Okay, to what extent can tourism create opportunities for
I should
economic
do
development?
stuff.
Thank you very much.
So we can,
Could you please read out your answer?
Oh god, lots of bars for drinking.
And
Yes.
More jobs.
Uh-huh, yeah.
More money for the bigwigs.
Okay,
Fishing boats.
okay.
Farmers make more food. Taxi drivers.
Yeah.
Pilots get to fly planes.
Yep.
Jess Glynn gets good sink deals on Jet 2. And builders building pools.
Yep.
And the pool guy who cleans the pools.
Okay, so I would say you have touched
6
on...
out of 6.
There were
Yeah.
5 main strands you could have touched on.
Yeah.
Okay.
You touched on tourism can bring in significant income and operate positively through the multiplier.
Definitely.
Money.
For sure.
1
for sure.
mark.
I think you've touched on there are questions about the security of the industry, perhaps of the bigwigs.
The bigwigs.
Answer.
Yeah, big.
So,
that's what I was.
pushing it,
That's why.
but sure.
That's why I said it.
That
Yeah.
was very good. However, I'd say you didn't really reference regional disparity and how tourism can create opportunities in areas within a country that has few other possibilities. I would say that maybe wasn't.
What about Jess Glynn?
I'm not seeing anything about Jet Glynn in the mark scheme. I'm
Okay,
afraid.
fine. And what about pool guy?
Pool guy?
His videos are great.
Oh, you've run out of time, guys. Stop.
Oh.
Put down your pens.
I mean, that was level 2. It was clear. It was a free marker. You communicated some ideas effectively with some use of geographical language.
All right, we'll take 3. Fine.
3.
Okay, well we can add this section up. We lost 3 marks, so we got 6.
6.
That'll do. I'll take that. 6 out of
6
9.
out of
69!
9.
Hey!
That's what you wanted.
Okay.
Very, very nice.
Complete the pie chart.
Yep.
We did
Yeah,
this.
what have you done?
I
Yeah,
did
that looks pretty
Australia and then others.
right. Yeah, why not? Yeah, 1 mark.
1 mark.
Go on. Suggest one reason why so many visitors
Oh,
to the
no.
Cayman Islands come from the USA.
It's close. It's not close.
Is it
Ease
close?
of travel?
Easy
Easy
travel.
travel,
Easy
yeah.
travel. Yes.
The cruise industry is an example of global industry. Do you agree?
Yes.
yes.
Do we get a mark for that?
Yeah, tell me why.
Cruises go all over the bloody place with people from all over the bloody place.
You know what? 2 marks. do you want to hear the mark scheme?
Yeah, does it say bloody in it?
Yes, idea that it involves a number of countries from different parts of the world, can go anywhere in the world with some relative place reference. That's this. Actually, maybe I was too
we didn't
eager.
do relative place
This
reference.
can be specific names or regions, such as the LIC or NEE idea.
You've already given us 2.
Oh, you've
It's
given
too
us
late.
2.
Yeah,
Yeah.
no, I'm being generous.
Yeah,
I'm
alright.
being generous.
Lovely.
Alright, moving on. Explain how physical and cultural factors are important in attracting visitors to the Cayman Islands.
Beaches for fishing,
Yep.
sunbathing,
Yep.
castles and swimming.
Okay.
People like museums. Old stuff equal fun. Culture, lots of it, like food,
Yep.
probs,
Lick food.
and markets. People love shops,
Yep.
like the Apple Store and Levi's and Vans.
Yep, you see, you've got 3 out of 4 marks, and I'm going to tell you what you missed. I'm going to tell you what you missed, okay? Indicative content. There are 4 possible hits for indicative content. There are generic cultural factors, including food, music, buildings, art.
Food,
Generic
museums,
Yep, exactly. Generic environmental factors such as landscape, the weather.
beaches,
Beaches.
big bad beach.
Yep, big bad beach. There are people might be attracted by specific characteristics such as diving or marine life.
Fishing and sunbathing.
But I'll tell you what you missed, okay?
Oh.
This one says...
Are we giving us 3 for this?
This
Sorry.
is 3 out of 4.
Okay,
You've missed the idea of Turtle Centre as a cultural attraction.
Turtle Centre? Specifically Turtle
Thank you,
Centre.
Turtle
Rats
Centre.
in
Oh,
a
because it's the
trench coat.
Cayman Islands.
Yeah.
Oh, thank
Thank
you.
you very much.
Thank you.
You missed Turtle Centre.
Well, that's because we didn't have the flipping extra
It
document.
doesn't say you need it
booklet.
here.
How are we meant to
Well, how
know
are we
about
meant
You're meant to know
Turtle
that
Centre?
Caymans
Are we meant to
are
know about every single place in the whole
Meant to know
world?
about 2 reptiles.
Caymans
Caymans that aren't not that way, and the Caymans that are.
That's ridiculous.
Okay, question 2, part 5. Explain why the proposed development in the Cayman Islands is called a multi-use development.
The development
Yeah.
has multiple uses, like swimming, fishing, and shopping. No, I reckon we might have got 0
Yeah.
for this.
No, that's surely...
No, 1 mark for the idea that it contains more than 1 function.
Okay.
Oh, nailed it.
So 1 mark.
What did we
What,
miss?
what were we missing?
More than you missed calling it multi-use because it includes more than 1
Swimming.
function, and also it is about improving tourism, local business, and the environment.
Oh, we
So,
don't know
yeah,
anything about that.
Yeah, the deeper meaning. But that's okay. Suggest why the development of tourism is an example of an economic versus environmental issue.
More people is bad, sad face.
For environment.
Okay.
Because they kill the fish,
Yeah.
specifically by peeing in the sea.
Oh,
Animal houses get built on
okay.
to build the hotels.
Yeah.
More people equals more trash and pollution.
Yeah.
That equals sad face.
Yeah.
And then but
Yeah.
more money from the tourists.
Oh, okay.
Use the money to build houses for the fishes.
And is this marked for your spag?
No.
No, 5 marks.
Not flipping bad.
Bloody pro. We're gonna get
What
a
did we
9.
miss?
I would say you missed the level of saturation / scale of
Oh.
We
this
didn't use the extra
economic
space.
versus
Yeah, we
environmental
should've
issue,
extra space.
and also environmental legislation.
Oh gosh, I
Wasn't mentioned at
don't
all,
want to use the
sadly.
legislation. Okay, let's add up this section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We got 3 marks again. Gosh, oh no.
Alright, here we go. Just read it out to me. Do you think that the cruise ship terminal and port facility development should go ahead?
Well, the first thing we wrote was the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
Okay.
Just to get,
This bag?
just so I
That's
I can remember how to write each letter.
Yeah, so that's 3 marks.
I didn't want to forget.
Yeah, good job.
We've got the spag. We've got
Yeah,
3
yeah,
marks.
Now
Yes,
we've got
for
75.
9 reasons.
Yep.
More jobs,
Yep.
more money,
Yep.
good publicity
Okay.
for the Cayman Islands.
Yeah.
The crocodiles get more grub.
Yep.
Brackets, tourists.
You
Yeah.
never closed the brackets, so everything else from here on out is
Little
now
brackets.
in brackets.
For local people, more jobs also for local people, which means they have more money to spend. We've gone dark. Oh, we're back.
Ah, well, that one's back, and that one will be back. Just we'll carry on.
More.
Why has he gone to pictures?
I had to press any button to make it
on camera.
It would have been funnier if it was the default shots that come on it.
Okay. Wait, where were we? Geography for local
Yep,
people, which
yep.
means they have more money to spend. More money for investing in Apple stores. Trickle down economics
Yep,
equal
yep.
heart. Although there's more trash,
Yeah.
you can give the trash to the crocodiles to eat. This saves the lives of tourists. Also, more people open bank accounts.
Yeah.
And the local people, they can
Yeah.
also go on holiday to fun places like Alaska, Alabama, and Arkansas. Arkansas.
Yeah. Okay.
And we put another semicolon in.
That's good. That's good. I feel like you did that. cheekily.
America, explain.
I'm gonna say 6 marks for that. I think that's a solid 6 marker.
Did we get our 3 for
You
the
got your
spag?
3 for spag. and
Plus
then,
6.
uh,
So we got 9 in total.
6 overall.
So it's 9, 3 of which is spag. Is that right?
It's 3. No, it's 6, 3 which is spag.
You
because
dropped,
I would
you
say
dropped
it-
6 marks.
So hang on. So you're saying we
Wait,
got
it was a
no
9.
marks?
Oh no, I see what you mean. Yeah, it's 9 plus 3. Yeah, so your answer is worth 4 marks and your spag is worth 3, so 7 overall.
Okay.
All
yeah,
right.
there we go.
What could we have done better?
Yeah.
I would have said you could have demonstrated a more thorough application of knowledge, applied more knowledge, and communicated ideas of clarity and good use of geographical language, which I began to miss.
We did. We
at
put
a certain
Alaska.
point.
Right, Alaska, Alabama, and Arkansas.
We also put peaks.
Alabama, Arkansas, I still love my mom and pa. I still like the way that I would do. What the did to me, your mom?
You know what?
Do it,
I think that's enough.
You know what? Add a half a mark. Add a half a mark.
Yes. 7.5.
Okay.
Question B. Section B, fieldwork.
Yep.
Yep.
Yep. Yep.
We
it's
put
this
some
one.
dots.
We put some dots. We coloured in.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna say that's probably gonna be worth your mark. Yeah.
Yes.
1 mark.
Yeah.
Uno mark.
Yep. Suggest what the map shows about the pattern of house prices in a town.
Expensive in town centre. Probs because they got Greg's and Apple Store. Cheap in suburbs because Tesco C has Waitrose.
2 marks because you had to include more than one price band, and you did both price bands.
Yeah. C has
Waitrose.
Waitrose.
There's the only explanation as to why it's so
For any non-British
expensive
people,
on the suburbs.
Waitrose is like
Yeah,
top tier supermarket.
It's like
but flipping expensive.
it's like Air One,
Yeah.
Whole Foods.
Whole Foods in the US.
Alright,
Yeah.
suggest 2 ways that the house price survey could be adapted to make it more useful.
Smaller areas, smaller
Yep.
price bracket.
Yeah, 2 marks.
Yeah.
There you go. Have you completed the Iceland map for 16 Celsius?
Yeah,
yeah,
it looks like that.
Honestly, it looks
Oh,
like the
yeah.
computer did it.
Oh my god, yeah. That's perfect.
I
Good
literally
job.
nailed it.
Good job.
Perfect.
What one?
Okay, describe the pattern shown by the map.
Town centre,
Yep.
hot,
Yep.
cause ovens and Greg's. cold on outskirts,
Yep.
cause fridge and freezers in Waitrose.
2 marks.
Yes. Does it specifically say Greg's on the
No,
mask?
you did a bit of embellishment, but
Okay.
it doesn't say you can't do that.
Yeah, see? This one
This
is
one was a
I'm
complete
worried
guess.
because I have no idea.
Which of the following would be an appropriate alternative way? What did you tick?
We put C.
C.
It was D, proportional symbol map.
Well, I didn't think it would be that.
I'm sorry.
Couldn't be honest.
Yeah,
Bloody heck.
yeah,
I'm
don't worry.
upset now.
Oh, flip.
This one you had to put a bunch of flipping dots somewhere.
Did we? Oh, I
Or
put,
just
I
one.
put
Just
one.
one actually. It's
I'll
just
put-
Oh,
I
yeah,
put
that,
one
yeah,
there.
that looks about right.
Yeah.
Give
About
yourself a
right.
mark.
Good.
Nice.
Go on.
One.
To what extent does the data shown in Figure 6 prove the original hypothesis?
Oh, go on, George.
The further visitors travelled, the longer they stayed.
Some people who travelled far stayed long. People who travelled short didn't long. Middle distance people somewhat varied. In conclusion, crossed out and then somewhat. Just somewhat.
Okay. Yeah, 2 marks.
Yeah.
Two
Well, I
marks.
wrote
Are
loads
you
of
having a
things.
laugh?
I wrote in conclusion.
So, no, you got a mark for that. You identified that the hypothesis only appears to be partially proven.
Somewhat.
Yeah, which is good. But I wanted to see.
But we also put people that travel far stayed long and people that travel short didn't.
stay long.
Yeah, that's another source of your mark.
Is
Yeah.
that not 2 marks?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's out of 4 though. How do we get an extra 2?
You would have got your final mark by saying there is not a wide spread of points, which suggests that the relationship is not that strong.
Oh.
Somewhat.
3 marks. Generous is 3 marks are generous.
No, yeah.
You got it from. Did you not get it from 2 to?
Yeah, we negotiated.
The mark.
Yeah, there was
I
there was
think-
some, you know.
I'm not in
think you should-
conclusion!
There was a push
I
and
think
pull,
you should
obviously.
sit in the room
That was
when
a
your
push-
examiner's marking.
Just
so
have to
that
look
you
in the
can
face. I can tell you
negotiate.
got to.
Yeah, if an examiner needs to look someone in the face, they would fold him. What dweeb is marking exams?
Alright,
The last one.
Yep. What is the question?
What is your purpose of travel?
Yes.
Justification.
Yep.
Find out if people are going to a gig or seeing their nan or going fishing.
Yeah.
And this
Yeah.
helps because the student is a nosy bastard.
Amen.
Amen. X.
2 marks.
Yeah!
Well done.
I think we fucking nailed this.
Nailed it.
Well done.
That was
Totally for
60.
you.
Wait, let me add this bit up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Ding it.
9,
Right.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We only dropped 2 on that one.
Okay, could you
Oh, we didn't do 5, so we got 16. We got 14 in section 4. We got 7.5 in section 3. We got 13 in section 2. And we got 6 in section 1.
Total.
How many? What was
each-
5 out of?
What was each out of?
Number 1 was out of 9.
Mhm.
2 was out of 16.
Mhm.
Next one was out of 12. Next one was out of 16 again. So what did we get out of?
So what's our total that
What's
we
it out
could
of?
have got?
53.
Out of 53. And what did we get?
40.5.
That's pretty good. That's got to be at least a 7.
You know what you got?
Yeah.
76%.
76%.
76%.
What's
What
that?
does that get us?
Okay, so I just need to work this out throughout the entirety of what marks did you get?
40.5 out of 53.
Okay.
Because it's meant to be out of 76, but
Okay,
some
so-
marks weren't available to us.
Okay, Ian, can you help me do the maths in this scenario?
76%.
Okay, 76%. Yeah, but how does that track with maximum marks? Because this isn't in percent.
Oh, yeah, I mean,
Stay tuned while we
Hold on.
find out the
Right.
marks.
oh, it's gone.
Someone said
Immediately
minus
disappeared.
7 marks for spelling.
How dare you?
Get
There were
out.
only 2 spag questions. 0.76 times the paper tittle. Oh god, Nick marked 2 nicely. No,
No, we did really
we just
well.
bartered for some marks, which I think is good geography. Because if you go to Morocco, you got to barter. Me and Ian.
Someone
swapped.
said get it
That's
moderated.
true. We
Get
still
him
have to...
You want to moderate?
Nah. Oh yeah, yeah, 100%.
I mean,
Are they mine
or are they yours?
They're
Yeah,
not mine.
what is it?
Oh, I must
Yeah.
have fallen out my pocket. How did that happen?
What?
Well, your pocket's got a hole.
got a 9.
You got a 9.
We got a
We
9.
got 9! Yeah!
We're great.
9! That's an A star.
We've got better with age. 'Cause we got A's when we did it, and now we're getting A stars.
Do you know what? I didn't write enough bloodies in my GC.
I'm not convinced I actually understand how this grade boundary
In my
I think,
GCSE.
I think you've done it
But like
perfectly.
maximum marks, there's a maximum mark here, and there's a grade boundary, and
Yeah.
I've just that getting 76% out of the answers they answered.
Yeah.
The grade boundary for a 9 is 75%.
Damn.
So that's what I'm seeing.
Yeah, fair play.
Only
Yeah.
just.
Everyone is disagreeing.
No, get out of here.
How
We
could you
nailed
you can't
it.
disagree with maths? Jesus. It says we smashed it.
Nailed it.
Well done. Well done, team.
Okay, okay, brilliant.
Now
And
what?
we didn't even have the booklet.
Yeah,
No,
and we didn't have the extra
You get a
bits.
prize.
What's
You
the
know I prepared a
prize?
prize for you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is it?
Yeah. Sit with me. Sit with me, Ian. To administer the prize.
I don't like
Oh
this.
yeah.
Okay.
Are we
Okay, you
okay.
ready?
Okay, you ready?
Are you ready?
Yeah, you ready? You ready?
I don't
Yeah,
like it.
yeah.
Go with your left.
Firm
Yeah.
A firm handshake.
Handshake.
Firm handshake.
Firm handshake.
A firm
Why
handshake.
did you
Yeah.
use your left
Firm
hand?
For the camera angles.
The camera,
I
yeah.
like it.
For the camera angles, Callum.
All right, we got some bits to do.
Callum, wait, very quickly. What do we need to do to get Callum to eat this?
No,
Was
no.
it get?
Sub goal.
Hit our sub goal.
Have
No,
we
they
hit
didn't
it?
reach it.
No, we need.
Guys, we need 5 more subs for
I wasn't
Cam to
gonna-
literally
I wasn't
eat
gonna
this
eat
paper.
All of it.
Yeah,
Just
but
some
at
of
least
it.
one.
A little bit.
Some people sent
It's
some
show
stuff to
and
our
tell
PO box, so
time.
we're just gonna show it off because it's really cool.
I crocheted this.
This is amazing.
This is
Yeah,
so
I
darn
made
You
it.
ever made this?
I made it.
This is
It's
where
me.
Callum's been.
This is my. This is what I was
Atlas,
doing
I
for 2
think.
weeks.
Atlas made this, and we're eternally grateful. Thank you so much.
Yeah, I put an envelope on the back
I really like
which
this one.
says from Atlas, but actually I made it
Furthermore, someone sent us a
from Atlas.
postcard
From
Antarctica.
We wrote that in there. Did we
Whoa.
write that?
No,
we
you
wrote
didn't.
Alaska.
You wrote Alaska.
That's pretty
This
bloody
person
cool.
is working in Antarctica right now, and they sent us a
That
postcard.
is pretty cool.
Thank you very much, Liv. Or I don't know if I should read out the handle.
Probably best.
Yeah, I will.
Yeah.
And then
you very
we've
much.
also received a couple graduation invites.
Which is very kind.
We're not coming.
We can't make it, but
Sorry.
But
Yeah.
thank you for thinking of us, I
And
guess.
good luck and congratulations.
Also, someone sent us some bracelets.
But there's
There's no information about who made these bracelets or who.
No.
And also, it's completely incomprehensible. We've got right, left, night good. It doesn't make any sense.
It just doesn't make
So
any sense.
it's incomprehensible.
I've got it right. I'm going to put it on my left hand.
come on, I'll be left. I'll be left on my right
And I'm
hand.
gonna be
I'm
good.
night.
Very good.
Okay.
We've also
Yeah,
got
thank you so much.
These now.
Yeah, we've got merch.
Ruddy bloody.
So-
This
Wait, someone's
flipping-
saying that's me. Was it K's bit? Was this you?
but
well
UK's a bit
done.
more
Thank you
street.
so much.
Look at this lovely hoodie that Callum.
Oh,
Callum designed
and
this
designed
hoodie
this and this.
and this hat. Nice embroidery on the top.
Embroidery is very nice.
Can you pass me the white shirt, please? Oh, both.
Take them both.
This white shirt, Callum also designed. Look at this embroidery.
It's
embroidered.
Hold on, I'm gonna swap.
we like embroidered.
It's gonna be upside
It
down.
looks really pretty.
The hoodie doesn't have a hood. It doesn't because
Oh,
it's
it's
not
a
quite a hoodie. It's a
sweatshirt.
Oh, it's a
sweatshirt.
sweatshirt. Yeah.
I've done it upside down. Hang on. There you go.
The merch does seem so cool, and you can own it yourself.
It's embroidered. Ooh.
Ooh.
Pretty. And then we also have this lovely yellow t-shirt.
embroidery.
This one isn't embroidered.
Success is
This one's
unlikely.
screaming.
You might recognise that
It
from
matches
somewhere.
our lovely,
Wow.
thing up
But it's
here.
embellished.
but it's yellow.
Yeah.
And it's got thingies in it.
There you go. And you can own them.
Yeah, bearsandtrees.com.
Buying this merch means that we can keep embarrassing ourselves on the internet for you.
By getting 9s in GCSE
That's what
geography.
we love to
Oh,
do.
that's very good.
Yeah, sub goal when. That's what I'm saying. We can't announce this song till we hit our sub goal.
That's true. There is
Come
no,
on.
and we won't release it if we don't announce it. So,
Yeah.
and also Callum needs to eat this paper.
This is on May the 23rd. We can still go.
Thank you so
Next
much,
year.
That's 2025.
Alex White, for ordering one of the hats. We really appreciate
That's
that.
very
Great
kind.
hat.
All-
mate.
but
Really
in
well.
all
No, we
honesty,
do
if you
now.
do not have the money, we are not.
We
We are
missed
not
it.
demanding you buy anything
Yeah.
from us or spend
How
any
many
money on
subs
us. We
for Callum
really
to eat a
appreciate you
t-shirt?
listening to our music or whatever.
Oh, we missed
How many
it.
subs? 200 subs, and Callum will try and eat a t-shirt.
Callum eats the pay on 5 subs.
Yeah.
On 5 more subs. If we don't get that, that's fine. We just can't release the
200.
next song.
Are some of the fabric squares from Hobbycraft? Because I swear, all of the fabric squares were from Hobbycraft.
They are.
We love
pro
Hobbycraft.
I
Not
spend.
Spawn.
I take every opportunity to be in Hobbycraft because I get to use my Hobbycraft card and I get special discounts and such. I love it so much. I love Hobbycraft.
And
We
they
are
give you
not
and they give you
endorsed by
£5 on
Hobbycraft.
your
If we
birthday.
could get endorsed by Hobbycraft,
Yeah,
I would be very
anyone know
happy.
how?
Callum decided if they can actually go to what they got and. Oh, yay!
Oh!
Thank you so much,
Sophie.
love my
Sophie.
Sophie. We really appreciate your
Yeah,
support.
no, we
Now
can't-
Callum is
can't
going
go,
to
I
eat
missed it.
Eat some
some paper as we announce our new song.
Our new song.
We're releasing a song.
When?
And not today, but maybe in a
1 week.
1 week.
1 week.
One
You
week.
heard it
You have
here.
1 week to prepare. You heard it here first.
1 week
What
to
song is it?
prepare.
What is the song called? We
No.
Good.
Can... No.
No.
Oh.
No.
Hot chocolate.
Wrong.
Try again.
No.
Love.
No.
Heartbreak. Woo! Coming out next Friday or no, next Thursday, next Wednesday at midnight.
Yes.
Midnight
Yeah.
Thursday
Yeah.
morning.
And we will be celebrating, hopefully.
You'll be celebrating.
Oh, okay.
I'll be dreading it
Live?
live.
Live on the internet.
Live on the internet.
Yeah, thank you so much for supporting us, and I hope you enjoy it when it
Yeah.
comes out.
Yeah, how was
we-
the paper?
It's horrible.
Yeah, but
It's
That's you need to eat more than that. Come
It's
on,
gone blue.
give me a chunk that someone gave us a significant
I ate a
amount
little
of
bit,
subs.
but I didn't want to eat
No.
any of the ink.
No, that's the key. Take a bite. Take a bite.
Are we doing
big old
anything
bite.
else about the song, or is that it? Are we just
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Tune.
Ooh.
Yeah.
I feel like a model.
Callum doesn't have to be alone in this.
What's the song about?
The song is about having a panic attack in your best friend's kitchen, but it sounds like an 80s sitcom intro.
Wow.
You've got a lot of ink.
I love the ink. Ink's the best bit.
Don't eat the barcode.
Yeah.
Can we stop eating?
It's not called science. That's fake news.
Not called
That's fake
science.
news.
It was called science at one point. The demo was called science in a
Stop
way.
eating paper.
I'm spinning out like
Oh,
it's gum.
boo!
I don't want to swallow it.
Lovely. Good job, everyone. Thank
Sorry.
you, everyone, for joining us.
It tastes like normal paper
What are
because
you doing, Nick?
it's normal paper.
What are you
What are
doing?
you doing?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Oh, did it turn off again?
Two thumbs up from me.
Everyone, look at this. We got a 9 in our GCSE.
Hello.
You're so close.
What are you doing, Nick?
Give me a sec.
The camera died.
Did it die again? Or are you just going to put that on?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Here we go. Yep. Yep. Oh yeah.
This is all
Yeah.
merch for our last
Hola.
US tour, huh?
No,
Is he gonna
heartbreak.
just show a picture of our friend Wheeler?
Yep. Yeah, massive. Yeah, look at them go. Good job. Yep. Yep, good job. Yep, we can end the stream at any time now. Yep, good job. Yep.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.